Hey guys! So, as you know, with our motherhood tumbler, it was a mess up. So, I'm going to use this experience as a teaching moment for myself and for you guys. I'm going to show you how to strip a cup. So, things that you are going to need: a gallon bag, aluminum foil, and then we are going to be trying something new out today. I got the Smart Strip. Actually had one of my friends who makes tumblers recommend this to me, and I looked it up and I was like, okay, why not? So you're going to want to get out a nice big piece of aluminum foil. Lay the cup down. Okay, it's lunch, but yes. And then you're going to take a gloved hand. So sorry, you also need gloves. I'm just going to scoop this right on the cup. I did not ask her how thick to do this, so we're just going to go with it. Well, it definitely strips. It's already stripping the black off. My gosh. Okay. So as you can tell, it's literally already taken the black gloss off. So my fingers are crossed for this one. This might be really promising. And something that I will throw out there, it does not have a bad smell. I'm not gonna lie, I actually have super high hopes for this. When I spun the tumbler around, it actually looked like some of the purple paint had come off too. Okay. Alright, aluminum foil in the gallon bag. Now, and then the gallon bag is so if anything leaks out of that aluminum foil, okay? So we are going to give this 24 hours, and then we are going to check on it and see how it did. Super excited to see. Hey guys, so we are all done letting this cup strip. So what I am going to do is in my sink, I'm going to lay the gallon bag down, and then I'm going to lay the aluminum foil right on top of it. And I'm actually going to scrape everything onto the aluminum foil so that it doesn't go down my drain. Oh wow, guys. Take a look at that. So you can clearly see it's coming off. It does have a very strong smell to it, so just beware of that. Oh wow, I'm putting like no pressure on this. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's literally like coming off. Like the whole thing. Oh shoot. Okay. So now I'm just going to take this I'm going to put it in my gallon bag, and then this is going to go to trash. So all I'm doing is literally just rubbing my finger. I'm barely putting any pressure at all, and it's coming right off. We are done. Look how pretty that looks. The only problem area I see is that line, which, to be honest, I could use the scraper some more in it. But I'm probably just going to let it be because eventually this cup is going to get covered with paint and glitter and everything like that. Make sure you also are washing your tools. I know that's like super, super, super important. We're done. So that is how you will successfully strip a cup using that Smart Strip. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.